So, hi everyone. My new book, Launching in Your Pocket Beginner's Guide to Building Gen AI Applications Using LLMs, is out now on Amazon. The book is already a bestseller. As you can see, it is trending on hash 3 on Amazon bestsellers. So, grab your copies and find the link in the description below. Thank you so much. So, hi everyone. Today we will talk about how, as a beginner data scientist, you should get started on Kaggle. So, Kaggle is a very underrated platform, I would say, which has a great potential and can help you become a great data scientist. So, let's get started. So, first of all, do remember that Kaggle is not just a competition holding platform, it has a lot more to offer as well. So if you are a beginner, I would suggest you to like first of all get started with the simple problem statement, the hello world problems of data science that are either Titanic binary classification or house price regression, and there would be a lot of solutions available in public so that you can look and take a reference from key. Okay, this is how you solve a data science problem, right? Also, you can tweak these notebooks. You can add your thoughts onto it and for build a final solution. Understanding how a data science problem is approached is very crucial, because eventually when you once you will be getting some unknown problem, this approach will play a key role. Also, one issue that I've seen with many guys is they are trying to get a higher rank by copying other solutions or by using some black box tricks. Try don't do that because you won't be able to learn anything. Like I have been an active part of Telegram community as well, where I'm seeing a lot of people pinging me to upvote their notebooks. That is not the right way of going. I won't say, and it won't help you also. Trust me on this, because eventually at a point, if you don't provide quality, this will go into a bummer. Also, not just the competition, Kaggle discussions have helped me a lot. I think you can ask any question, you would be getting, I think people are quite active on Kaggle, and eventually you would be getting good responses as well, and you get medals for that too, which you can mention. I think in my first job I did mention I have some Kaggle medals from discussions. Kaggle Learns can be taken as a summarized version of data science book, but with implementation. So that's the best part. You can see a step-by-step beginner's approach to learn new concepts. Apart from competitions, I think if you have seen, Kaggle do have Kaggle data sets also. Now these datasets you can download in your local or even on Kaggle only. You can explore them and can make a beautiful kernel out of it. You have prize monies for that too. One thing that I would suggest you that people often don't do is to explore different genres. Like go with the time series problem, go with regression, NLP. Try your hands with different types of problems so that you can understand what different issues you will be facing when you enter in such a domain. Also, try to spend at least 2 to 3 weeks on every problem that you have got. Be slow in going to for a solution rather than being in a haste, like trying to go for different 7 or 8 problems in a week. In this way, you would be rather than mugging up things, and you won't be able to extract everything out of it. I would be suggesting you to follow of popular Kagglers as well, form up teams, and do mention Kaggle activities in your resume. Trust me, you should be mentioning your Kaggle activities rather than any random stuff. I think this will be make the interviewer understand that you are trying out new things on the platform. Thank you so much.